for today's video, finding domain and range using linear function. So, as a review, pag sinabi po nating domain, ito po yung value ng x, at saka pag sinabi naman po nating range, ito yung value ng y. So, meron po tayong example number 1, f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. So, pag nakita natin, yung function natin, wala pong restriction value or wala pong denominator, so it's understood, madilang po ninyong domain. So, our domain here dito is set of all real numbers. Ganon din, ang range natin is set of all real numbers siya. So, yan po yung number 1 na sagot. So, sa example number 2 naman natin, functions of f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 over x minus 2. So, meron na siya tayong denominator. So, in short, meron siyang restrictions, restrictions of the value of x. So, which is x minus 2. So, to get the domain, kukunin muna, gawin natin, isosolve muna natin yung denominator, yung x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So, then after that, yung negative 2, itatranspose natin siya on the right side. So, magiging positive 2. So, ito na po yung kanyang value of x. So, in short, this is a set of real numbers. So, except lang siya sa 2 kasi meron siyang restriction. Okay? So, in short, ito yung sagot. So, x such as x is the set of all real number but except siya sa 2. Okay? Kasi meron siyang restriction. Now, to get the range na naman, or the value of y, okay? So, i-change na natin yung f of x into y is equals to 2x plus 1 over x minus 2. Now, para gawin yun siya, para makancel po itong yung x minus 2, we will divide both side by x minus 2, dito x minus 2 rin. Then after that, ika-cancel natin itong x minus 2. So, ang naiwan, it's x minus 2, y, then 2x plus 1. And after that, using distribution, i-multiply natin si x times y will become xy. Then, operation minus 2 times y is equals to 2y. So, is equals to copy 2x plus 1. Then, after that, we will combine yung mga common nila or like terms nila. So, itong negative 2y, itatranspose natin ito sa kabila. Then, itong 2x, itatranspose natin yan sa kabila para makuha natin yung value ng range or y. So, ito yung positive 2x, transpose natin dito, so magiging negative 2x. So, is equals to, ito naman yung negative 2y, transpose natin siya magiging positive 2y, then copy yung 1. Then, after that, ifa-factor natin, so yung common dito, it's x. So, ilabas natin si x, so naiwan na lang dito si y, minus 2. Then, copy na lang natin yung 2y plus 1. Now, para maiwan dito si x, so, we have to divide both side by y minus 2. Okay, so makancel si y minus 2, naiwan na lang si x. So, x is equals to 2y plus 1 over y minus 2. So, since meron na po tayong restriction of the value of y, so, isosolve na natin itong value ng y. So, y minus 2 is equals to 0. So, y now is equals to yung 2 dito, yung negative 2, transpose natin siya maging positive 2. So, this is now the restriction value of y or the range. So, ibig sabihin, this is not the set of real number, but except po siya sa 2. So, sa ating notation, y such as y is the set of all real number except siya sa 2. Yan. Okay, yung example number 3, f of x is equals to 5x over x plus 3. So, again, meron po tayong denominator. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron denominator, meron po tayong restriction. So, now to get the domain, para kung kunin natin yung domain, so, isosolve muna natin yung denominator na x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then, x now is equals to, yung positive 3, itatranspose natin siya sa kabila, so magiging negative 3. So, this is not the restriction value of the domain or x. Ibig sabihin, set of all numbers siya, except siya sa negative 3. So, sa notation natin, so x such as x is set of real number except siya sa negative 3. Okay? Now, to get the value of range, okay? Now, to solve the range, so yung f of x, palitan lang natin siya ng y is equals to 5x over x plus 3. Now, para po makancel si x plus 3, we will divide both side by x plus 3. Dito din x plus 3. Okay? So, cancel natin si x plus 3. So, ang naiwan na lang si x plus 3 times y is equals to 5x. So, distribute natin. So, x times y is equals to xy. Then, 3 times y is equals to positive 3y is equals to copy ang 5x. Then, after that, itatranspose lang natin si 5x sa kabila. Then, itong si 3y doon sa right side. So, kopyahin natin si xy. Then, magpalitan itong dalawa. Okay, para maiwan natin dito, para ma-solve natin yung value ng range. Okay, so positive 5x, transpose natin, so magiging negative 5x is equals to yung positive 3y, transpose natin sa magiging negative 3y. Then after that, factor natin, so meron lang common na x, so ang naiwan na lang y, then minus 5 is equals to negative 3. Now, para maiwan na lang yung x, gawin natin, divide natin siya both side by y minus 5, din dito y minus 5. So, cancel ang y minus 5. So, ang naiwan na lang dito is x is equals to negative 3y over y minus 5. So, since meron na po tayo dito na denominator, which is the restriction value of range or y, so we will now compute. So, y minus 5 is equals to 0. So, y now is equals to, so yung negative 5, transpose natin sa kabila, magiging 5. So, therefore, meron na po tayong value ng y, which is 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung range natin is set of real numbers except of restriction 5. So, yung notation natin, y such as y is the set of all real number except 5. So, yan lang po.